Have you ever handed your unlocked phone to a friend to show them a quick photo or a funny video, and suddenly they start swiping around your home screen? It is a terrifying feeling. We all have certain apps on our phones that are meant for our eyes only. Whether it is your mobile banking app, a private photo gallery, a dating app, or maybe your WhatsApp messages, your privacy matters. But you do not need to delete these apps every time someone borrows your phone. Today on Gen2 Solutions, I am going to show you the ultimate ways to completely hide any app on your Android device. Whether you are using a Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, or a Google Pixel, I have a 100% free solution for you. Let's unlock it. Let's start with the fastest and easiest method, which is built directly into most modern Android phones, especially Samsung Galaxy devices. Go to your home screen and find an empty space. Tap and hold your finger there for a second. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Settings. Now, scroll down through this menu until you see an option that says Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Tap on that. You will see a list of every single application installed on your device. Just tap the circle next to any app you want to disappear, and you will see them move up into the Hidden Apps section. Hit Done at the bottom. If you go back to your app drawer now, those apps are completely invisible to open them yourself. Just swipe down, type the name of the app in your search bar, and it pops right up. Note that if you are using Tecno or Infinix, look for the built-in X-Hide or Vault app on your phone to do this exact same thing. Now, what if hiding the icon isn't enough? What if you want to lock that app behind a password or a fingerprint, so absolutely no one can open it? Even if they search for it, if you are on a Samsung Galaxy, you have a secret weapon called the Secure folder. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down to Security and Privacy, and tap on More Security Settings. Inside, you will find Secure folder. Once you set this up with a PIN or your fingerprint, it creates a completely separate encrypted space on your phone. It is basically a secret phone inside your phone. You can move your private apps and files into this folder. Even if someone knows the app is on your phone, they cannot open it without your exact fingerprint. You can even customize the Secure folder icon to look like a boring calculator, so nobody even tries to click it. If you are using a phone like a Motorola or a Google Pixel that does not have a built-in hide feature, do not worry. You can do this completely for free using Microsoft Launcher. Head over to the Google Play Store, download Microsoft Launcher, and set it as your default home screen app. Once it is set up, swipe up to open your app drawer and tap the three little dots at the top right corner. Tap on Hidden Apps. From here, just tap Hide Apps and select the ones you want to keep secret. The best part, in this Hidden Apps menu, you can tap the settings gear icon in the top right and turn on a password. Now your apps are hidden and locked behind a PIN code, completely for free on any Android device. Securing your smartphone is incredibly important.
If you want to go back to your normal launcher, it's very easy. Just tap and hold anywhere on your home screen. Then tap on Launcher Settings. Scroll down and select Advanced Settings. Now tap on Switch to another launcher. From here, choose your original launcher, like One UI Home or whatever you were using before. And boom, you're back to your normal home screen. And now you know exactly how to keep your private life completely private, no matter what phone you use. Which app are you going to hide first? Let me know down in the comments below. If this tech trick helped you out today, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Gen2 Solutions for more incredible smartphone hacks and hidden features. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.